Ever found yourself in a rush, needing to book a Grab, but your digital wallet is looking a little empty? Or perhaps you're just not a fan of linking your bank account everywhere, preferring the good old tangible feel of cash. This brings up a question that many of us have pondered. Can you actually pay for Grabpay with cash? It sounds a bit counterintuitive, doesn't it? Grabpay is, by its very nature, a digital wallet. Its whole purpose is to move away from physical currency. But the reality in many parts of Southeast Asia, where cash is still king for a significant portion of the population, often necessitates bridging this digital divide. Think about it. Not everyone has a bank account or a credit card. Financial inclusion is a huge topic, and while digital payments are a step forward, they can also exclude those who aren't fully integrated into the formal financial system. So, for a service like Grab, which aims to be accessible to everyone, ignoring the cash-preferred demographic would be a massive oversight. Now, let's dive into the nitty-gritty of how this works, or rather, if it works. The short answer to can you pay Grabpay with cash is generally yes, but it's not as straightforward as handing over a wad of bills to your Grab driver to top up your Grabpay balance directly. That's a common misconception, and it's important to clarify that this isn't how it operates. Your Grab driver is there to get you from point A to point B, not to act as a mobile ATM or a Grabpay top-up station. The method for topping up your Grabpay balance with cash involves designated physical locations. These are often referred to as cash-in points or top-up stations. What kind of places are we talking about? Well, it varies by country and even by city, but common locations include convenience stores like 7-Eleven or local kiosks. Sometimes, even specific payment centers or authorized agents will offer this service. Here's the typical process. You'd walk into one of these participating outlets, inform the staff that you want to top up your Grabpay wallet, and then you'd provide them with your Grab-registered phone number. You hand over the cash amount you wish to add to your Grabpay balance, and they process the transaction. Once it's complete, you should receive a notification on your Grab app confirming the successful top-up. It's essentially like buying digital credit with physical money. This system is crucial for expanding Grabpay's reach. It allows individuals who rely on cash for their daily transactions to still enjoy the benefits of a digital wallet, things like seamless payments for rides, food delivery, and even in-store purchases at Grabpay-enabled merchants. It's a bridge between the traditional and the digital, ensuring that financial access isn't limited by one's preferred payment method. Of course, there are a few things to keep in mind. Always ensure you're topping up at an authorized Grabpay cash-in point. If you're unsure, check the Grab app itself, as it usually has a feature to locate nearby top-up locations. Also, be aware of any minimum or maximum top-up limits, as these can vary. And finally, always get a receipt for your transaction, just in case there are any discrepancies. So, while you can't hand cash directly to your driver for a Grabpay top-up, the ability to fund your Grabpay wallet with cash through designated channels is a vital feature that makes the platform more inclusive and accessible. It's a testament to how digital services adapt to local financial landscapes. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.